Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing a P0405 code? Wondering why your engine is idling rough or why that check engine light won't go away? This code might be tied to your EGR system, which plays a crucial role in reducing emissions. In this video I'll break down what P0405 means, show you the exact location of the sensor you need to check, and help you fix the issue. Let's dive in. P0405 stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation, EGR. Sensor, a circuit low. It means the engine control module, ECM, is detecting a lower than expected voltage from the EGR sensor. This could affect how your car recirculates exhaust gases, and might lead to performance issues. Now where's the EGR sensor? Let me show you. The EGR sensor is typically mounted on or near the EGR valve. The valve is located on the intake manifold, usually close to the throttle body. The wiring connecting the EGR sensor to the ECM runs near the EGR valve. Inspect it carefully for any visible damage or corrosion. Here's how P0405 can manifest. Rough idling or stalling, poor engine performance or sluggish acceleration, and excessive exhaust smoke or higher emissions. The common causes include a faulty EGR sensor, corroded or damaged wiring, and carbon buildup in the EGR valve, affecting sensor readings. To fix P0405, inspect the EGR sensor. Check for visible damage to the sensor. If faulty, replace it with a compatible part. Clean the EGR valve by removing carbon buildup using an EGR cleaner. A clean valve ensures accurate sensor readings. Check wiring and connections. Look for loose or corroded connections and repair them as needed. Finally, clear the code. Use your OBD2 scanner to erase the code and verify the repair with a test drive. And that's how you fix a P0405 code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car repair guides. Check out these related videos. P0003 to understand fuel volume control circuit issues, and P0183 for insights on fuel temperature sensor circuit problems. Stay tuned for more practical tips and keep your car in top shape with IG Garage.